Welcome back to Online Tools Master. In today's tutorial we're exploring the Color Name Converter, the world's simplest online color to PNG converter, perfect for designers, illustrators, and marketers who need consistent brand colors or creative palettes. This tool converts any type of color name or color code. HEX, RGB, HSL, HSV, Lab, and many more. You can arrange the colors horizontally or vertically, customize the size of each block, add labels, borders, gaps, padding, and even adjust the background color of the canvas. It's quick, free, and completely automatic. To access it, open your browser, search for onlinepngtools.com and head straight to Color Name Converter. Now let's see 3 examples in action. Example 1. Convert a hex code to a PNG. Here's our first input, the hex code hash 32CD32, also known as lime green. We display it as a single square 500 by 500 pixels. The background is set to transparent and the arrangement is horizontal. Here's the clean output as a PNG square. To download it, just click Save As. Example 2. Visualize multiple color formats. In this example, we enter multiple color formats: hex hash E63946 crimson, sandy brown, HSL, Lab, HCL, HSV, and RGBA. We arrange them vertically as thin strips, each 500 pixels wide and 100 pixels tall. Labels are enabled. The background is set to transparent. Here's the output palette, with all codes clearly labeled. To download, click Save As. Example 3. Generate a PNG neon color palette. Finally, we create a neon palette using HCL codes. We arrange them horizontally, each block sized 150 by 500 pixels. Gaps of 10 pixels are added between the colors, and 10 pixels of padding around the palette. Labels are enabled for easy reference and background is set to transparent. Here's the vibrant neon PNG palette, ready for design projects. To save, just click Save As. If you like this tutorial, check out our previous videos on PNG Revealer and Single Color Stamp Maker for more creative tools. Go to onlinepngtools.com, open Color Name Converter, and start creating your own color palettes today. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more quick and powerful tutorials every week. And keep an eye out for part 2, where we'll show you even more examples with this tool.